RV life is great until you got to clean your black tank with this guy. Some Dawn dish detergent in that guy. Give a little soap squirt. Soap squirt. On our garden hose through here.
I'm on my third pair of gloves.
There you go.
I don't like this job. Next time you get this job. Oh no! Oh no! I can't do anything. I feel like I obviously need some more. I seriously, I'm jumping straight in the shower.
I'm trying to suppress.
Okay, I don't know how to move from this position. I'm gonna need your help. Okay.
I'm helping. So when we do our top 5 worst things in RV, this is number 1 through 5.
100%. I'm washing the walls with disinfectant now.
You're one of those guys. Usually you just have a camper, but we got these. Into the clown's mouth.
Matt and Dawn. Dawn did so.
We're done.
Thank goodness.
That was traumatic.
I don't. Can we pay someone to do that?
I have a weak stomach.
No, it's
and I didn't
bad.
even do the dirty work.
I
Trooper
know.
here.
Me. Did you call me pooper?
No, trooper.
I thought you said pooper. I am now
That
going
was-
to go shower from it. So.
So yeah, that's part of RV life that they don't show you. They show you all the glorified stuff. That, not so much.
But guess what?